So guys, we are going to Tank Museum and let's see what's there inside. And we'll explore everything, all types of tanks, and apart from tanks there are other stuff as well. Okay, let's explore and we'll see what's all going on here. This beast, guys, this beast is M551 Sheridan. Seriously, this is also beast. Oh my god, this is also beast. I'm surrounded by beast. Now let's go back to this. This is Dodge M37. The cute small one is Willys M38, and this tank is Leopard C2. Leopard C2. And guess guys where we are now? The garage. This is the garage. That's great. Wow. Actually I'm not allowed to go in, but see guys how compact it is. Oh my god, how beautiful it is. And there are lots of tanks. Let's figure out what's inside. Oh, this is empty. Want a bike? Here you go. This is Auto Union DKW NZ 350, and here is ammunition. Wow. This tank, I like this color because it's different from others. I'm not doing racist, but yeah, this tank is FB102 Striker, full name. And these are the merchandise. Let's go and see what's inside here. Wow. Of course. Definitely these work. These are the Canadian Tank Museum. I think the green one will make more sense. No? These are all images.
Print your receipt for you.
Please.
Thank
you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
So, we are done with this room. And you really need very small guns, then here you go. You can call it. This is the machine gun. You can keep it in your bedroom as well. Look at the struggle they were facing now. This is the best vehicle, better than tanks.
So these are spent blank rounds. So instead of having a bullet here, the shell is just extended and then it's crimped closed at the end. It creates a little explosion inside with the gunpowder that blasts the end open, opposed to actually shooting a bullet. So that's what we use at our shows to do fake gunfire. So this one is a 7.6 millimeter. So that one is pretty much the classic Canadian round. That's what was used with the Lee Enfield and then the Ross rifles throughout the First and Second World Wars.
Can I have these two?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
I will go with one of those.
One of the thermoses?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Look what I got. Few used bullets. And yeah, in this video, whatever I'm speaking is just for fun. Don't take it otherwise. And this is really a good place. Whenever you are passing by Oshawa, visit here. dusty. For that, I have some stuff here. Yeah. Wait. Don't fire. I need to change my helmet. It doesn't suit me this. I don't need helmet. Swim fake. So can sit here. That is the controller. The material is cast iron. It's very strong. So yeah, that's all for Tank Museum. But there are many scheduled shows that one can come and enjoy. Here are lots of other tanks. Oh my god, plane.